Hola estudiantes, this video is going to review the present tense because it's the most used tense in Spanish, and although you spent basically all of Spanish 1 learning it, it's been a while since we've used it. So the present tense in English would be like what's happening right now. It's like I walk, or in English this could be I am walking. In Spanish, most of the time, instead of using like an ing, which in Spanish ing is technically the ando, yendo, most of the time they just use as regular present tense. Or in English we say something like I do walk, or in questions the word do or does. The words like do and does gets included with the main verb in Spanish. So that just is already included when you conjugate this tense. This is the tense where you take off the AR, ER, IR ending, and the new endings are like OAS, AMOSAN, OS, AMOS, or EMOS, N. This is the only tense in Spanish where IR verbs are different than ER verbs. They're just different in the nosotros and vosotros forms. Here are some of the irregular charts that you had to learn in the present tense. So ser, estar, tener, and ir are totally irregular. Ser, you really just need to memorize. Tener is a shortcut to remembering tener is it's an E to IE stem changing verb because they stem change in the boot with the IE, but then it's also an irregular yo verb here as well. A star is an irregular yo as well because it ends in a Y and not just O. And then it has accent marks everywhere. Or not everywhere, but in estas, está, and están, which the accent marks is really all that makes it irregular. Ear, it has a V everywhere. The rest of its endings are mostly regular, minus the OY in voy. The stem changing rule in the present tense is that we have it always changing to both letters in the boot boxes. So like prefer is an E to IE verb. It changes to IE in every single box in the boot. Poder O to UE, it changes both O to O and UE in the boot. It doesn't matter if it's AR, ER, or IR, same rule everywhere in the present tense. The last topic to review is irregular yo verbs. These verbs are just irregular in the yo form and follow the normal endings everywhere else. There's a couple on here, venir and decir. They do have irregular yos. They also stem change in the other spaces as well. The rest of these are regular everywhere else. So I hope this helped you remember some of the present tense that you obviously learned in Spanish 1 and are really good at, but it's easy to get it confused with all the other tenses that we've done this year in Spanish 2. Hasta luego.